evening, ladies and gentlemen. So lovely to be with you all this evening. Thank you very much indeed. Before we go any further, I know they're just walking up the stairs backstage. Give them a big round of applause. Cardiff and Vale College Performance Academy. Woo! I'd like to extend a very warm welcome to all of you, all our invited guests, representatives from businesses, of course, partner organisations, CAVC colleagues, and most importantly, our award winners and your families.
Tonight is about acknowledging the hard work of all our learners. It's the inclusivity and diversity that is the heart of everything that we do at Cardiff and Vale College.
All of you here tonight can use your learning to go on and make a difference in everything you do. So once again, a huge congratulations to you all. Enjoy the rest of the evening and make the most you can of your life. Be the best you can, and good luck in everything you do.